Hi, I'm Jan Sandbacka from Mideye, and I will show you our new feature, Mideye Magic Link. And to that, I have created two users. I have Sandbacka, which is Touch Plus, and Touch Plus users will receive, as before, a normal SMS if the Mideye Plus app is not activated. And then we also have Sandbacka Wizard, and it is authentication type Touch. And from this version on, Touch users will receive a magic link if the Mideye Plus app is not activated. And I will show you how this goes. So, as you can see, the Mideye Plus app is not activated. So this is it. I will get a normal SMS now if I log in. So let's do that. Like that. Now I get the SMS there with a one-time password, which I enter into the VPN client. Like that, and then I get in. So this works exactly as it did before. Okay, let's now take this Wizard account, Wizard that can handle magic links. Sorry about the bad joke. And now logging in. So now I got this magic link. I click on that. And now, as you can see, it opens a web page. There's a URL up there in the Chrome browser. The URL, and it has a timeout and accept and reject buttons. And I will press the accept button. If I wouldn't have pressed anything, it would have been like reject. Now I'm logged in. So, and as you noticed, I didn't have to enter anything in the VPN client, because this with Magic Link, everything happens on the phone. So this actually works with also with VPN client that doesn't have challenge response. So that's a good thing. And of course, it's also easier. So see, and I can also choose to activate the Mideye Plus app here, and I'm activated, close, signing out. And now when I log in again, my Wizard account, the Plus is activated. So I don't. Now you can see again accept the text, but this time it's the Mideye Plus app. So now it's activated, and Magic Link is also a good way to get your users to activate the Mideye Plus app, because there's a link in the web page where they press accept the text. So this was our feature. Also, it works with radius, but it also works with HTTP GET. And I will create a video about this soon, and then I will link it somewhere here in this video probably as well. So, but before that, if there are any questions, just be in touch with us and follow the channel for new updates on our features. I wish you a good day. Thank you. Bye.